हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना आंबेली. आयज हांवें वचून एक पोस्ट चयला आनी ह्या पोस्टाचेर लेफ्टान अभिनव म्हण आहा आनी रायटान सिद्धा म्हण आहा. आतां पयले एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन करता. हो सिद्धा म्हण आय तो ताका ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर केला आमगेलो म्हणजे गोंयचो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ. आनी एक ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर केल म्हूण हांवें आयकिल्लां ते प्रमाणे थ्रू द information which has got gathered, a reliable sources, no doubt about that. That आमगेले मिनिस्टरान बाबूश मनसुरातान तेमकूय एश कोन कित नॉमिनेट केला हो तेगे नाव प्रपोज केला that they should be the brand ambassadors for Goa. And reason is what? The probable reason given is that ते हुंतून कित NGO चलयताय. That is a fact. बट एनजीओ चलोवपाक गोंया आनी कितलो लोक आहा. गोंयकार म्हणाका, गोंयचे भायले म्हणाका, जायते आहाय. आतां हो अभिनव म्हणाय तो ही इज रनिंग अ गुड एनजीओ, ही इज डुईंग अ गुड जॉब एंड स्पेशली बीच क्लिनिंगाकूय तेजो जायतो वावर आहा. सो अभिनवाची चड म्हाका म्हायती ना, पूण सिद्धा पण म्हणाय तो एनजीओ चलयता पण स्ट्रे डॉग्स आणि सुण्यांले कित काय इज रनिंग सम डॉग शेल्टर एंड ऑल दॅट. पूण म्हाका एक समजण मेळना वेन आमगेल्या सरकारान सांगलेलें दॅट नो बडी वील बी स्पेर्ड हुएवर आर डायरेक्टली ऑर इनडायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्वड इन द इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द बंगलो एट ओल्ड गोवा इन सर्वे नंबर 4/1. जाल्यार हे थोडे जाण हितू अवटली और कवटली इन अ लिटल फॉर्म और मोर फॉर्म आर इन्वॉल्वड. एसो मनशाक तुमी आता ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर केला ते जाल्यार एंड ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर फॉर गोवा. आनी हे इलिगल वस्तू काण हे गोंय आमगेले गार्बेज करून उडयताय आनी एसो मनशाक तुमी ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर कोताय. आय हॅव नो इश्यू सिद्धा बाबाक ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर केलो म्हूण. But from the sources that has been gathered, it has been understood and I have realized and I have studied and have come to a conclusion that O Siddha Bab is the one of the people involved as a part and parcel for the construction of the illegal bungalow at Old Goa. And yes, Siddha Baban probably he is one of the person who has deposed or who has given his statement to the TCP and the Panchayat that all laws are being followed in and they are all good in taste म्हणटे भाशेन. जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा एका सिद्धा बाबाक has the government rewarded him for doing wrong things knowingly or unknowingly. But now that Siddha Bab knows it, that there's such a big controversy on that illegal structure, Siddha Bab morally he should have taken the responsibility and he could have said till the illegal bungalow issue is not sorted out, till then I will not accept any responsibility with respect to Clean Goa or Swachh Bharat, because that is one of the dirtiest work that has been done in Goa. आणि हे सरकारान आमगेल्या हे सिद्धा बाबा रेवॉर्ड कशें म्हळें 2 दिसां चिंतून जाय आसलें. सो दॅट मिन्स पर्पसली दे हॅव गिवन हिम दीस रेवॉर्ड फॉर डिस्ट्रॉईंग गोवा इनडायरेक्टली. सिद्धा बाब थोड्या तरी कॉन्शियस आहा तुका. आय नो यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू गिव अप दॅट पोस्ट बिकॉज प्रॉबेबली इट कुड बी लुक्रेटिव्ह पोस्ट, बट एटलिस्ट तुज्यांनी प्राचीत करपा जाता. हेल्प अवटली जावं कवटली डॉक्युमेंटेशन वायज. नाव दॅट यू नो दॅट बंगलोज 99% documentation is either fraud, false or have been maliciously taken, and that is why that bungalow still till today has not got an NOC. If everything was perfect, why such a delay was done? why this matter is going on for 2 years. So now that you know it, एक रिक्वेस्ट करता सिद्धा बाबा कडेन, प्लीज एक प्रायजीत कर, एक बरी कन्फेशन कर. आनी कन्फेशन केलें म्हणून जायना, कन्फेशन केलें म्हणून प्रायजीत जावपाक जाय. आनी ह्या प्रायजीत करपाक प्लीज सिद्धा बाब, यू कंट्रीब्यूट इन नेलिंग डावन दिस इल्लीगल प्रोजेक्ट till it winds up in the Supreme Court. I don't understand. तुझे असले बरे भुरगे एश कोन NGO चलयताय, गोया सपोर्ट कोताय, then you people are doing such a wonderful job. What was the need to put hand on such a structure knowingly that parcels of bungalow and Ingdakoil law site inspection and a bungalow which was never existing at that site was shown, and to a statement below that everything is being followed by law and rules and regulation. That's also with the TCP and the Panchayat also. So Sidha Bab, it's up to you. I don't know how happy you are with your surroundings, and I don't know how happy we will be in the future till this bungalow is standing tall, even if it means NOC is not given to it. So you need to contribute for the demolition of this bungalow. You can send in your documents, contribute in a silent manner maybe. At least that much you can do. Dev Bare Karo, thank you very much.